If you want your law firm's website to stand out in today's AI-driven search landscape, you need more than just a collection of blog posts. Building legal content hubs based on AI query clustering means organizing your expertise around the real questions people are asking. Start by choosing a focused legal topic at GAIC, something specific that your firm wants to be known for. Instead of covering every area of law, drill down to what matters most to your clients, like car accident claims in your city. Next, listen to your clients. Gather the questions they ask in their own words, whether it's during calls, meetings, or online chats. Group these questions by intention, not just by topic. Some people are learning about a legal problem, others are comparing their options, and some are ready to hire a lawyer. Create a central hub page that ties all your content together, using clear headings and direct summaries at the top of each page. Link your subpages back to the hub and keep your layout consistent. This structure helps both people and search engines find what they need, building trust and driving results for your firm.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.